Hey everyone, welcome to this episode of HubFuel. We're going to be talking about how to integrate WhatsApp Business with the HubSpot CRM. If you're an organization that commonly speaks to prospects with an omni-channel approach, WhatsApp Business may be part of your current marketing or sales mix. So in this video, we're going to show you how you can consolidate your conversations with prospects or customers into the HubSpot CRM. So without further ado, let's get into it. As you can see, I'm currently in HubSpot at the moment. The first place that you're going to want to go to actually start the process of integrating WhatsApp is actually over to where we have your settings at the top. And down the left-hand side, you have the ability under Inbox to select inboxes. Now, the beauty of the WhatsApp integration is that it works in conjunction with your Conversations inbox. And if you're not familiar about what the Conversations inbox is, essentially it's an inbox that can consolidate comms from a team email, live chat, forms, and now WhatsApp Business. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is head over to connect a channel to the inbox of your choosing. Currently, you have the ability to integrate a team email, forms, Facebook Messenger, and now WhatsApp. So to start the process, what we're going to do is just select WhatsApp and then select continue with WhatsApp. From here, it's then going to prompt us to log into Meta to formalize the connection. So if we press continue, it will then start to go into ultimately what this integration is going to do, right? So it's going to allow us to chat with WhatsApp users and connect our WhatsApp business account to HubSpot via the WhatsApp Business API. In terms of what this allows us to do is creating our Meta/WhatsApp business account if you don't already have one, as well as being able to set up our WhatsApp business profile and verifying your WhatsApp business number. It's important to note that you need a number that's not currently active in WhatsApp business to start this process as well. So in order to get started, let's just select this. And this is essentially the permissions it's going to share. So essentially with HubSpot, it's going to be able to access your business account and access your Meta business account information. If we select continue, you will then select your account. So like so. So we're going to fill in our business information, which is the business account. And then if you've already set up a WhatsApp business account, you can then select it from here. Or alternatively, you can press create a WhatsApp business account. But for now, we're going to continue with the Felius number. And then what we're going to do is now select our profile. So we're selecting the WhatsApp profile. And now we're going to select the specific number attached to that WhatsApp profile. So like so. If we then press next, you can see here it's basically going to pick up your business profile. Press next. It's then going to ask you to verify your number. Like so. And upon sending that, you can then press verify, and that will formalize the connection for you. Now, what that will then look like once integrated is you will see you've now got a channel connected to this inbox. So as you can see here, for our general inquiries inbox, we have live chat connected, our team email, and now more recently, WhatsApp. So what we can now do is if we head over to our inbox, like so, you can see that basically in the general inquiries inbox, you can see first and foremost, we have a conversation here. And you can see on the left-hand side, there is a little WhatsApp icon next to the conversation to indicate it's come from WhatsApp. Now, the importance here is that anything that comes from WhatsApp, you can report on it in the actual reporting suite. What we're going to do is you can see I've got a full transcript of a conversation that I've had. But more importantly, what we can actually do is now contact and manage our communications through WhatsApp Business on the HubSpot product. So essentially to jump over to basically what that looks like, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually demonstrate this from a user's point of view, right? I'm going to open the business account, so the number that you're going to be using with WhatsApp Business. I'm going to put a message saying, hey, it's Sam recording a HubFuel. Can you help, right? So I'm now going to send that. And what we'll now see is instantly, we now have a WhatsApp that's come through to HubSpot, right? So we can start to manage the whole conversation from within HubSpot and not have your entire sales team share the same phone, right? This allows you to manage this from your desk. You can have all the benefits of the Conversations inbox, so you can reassign this to certain teams or people. And what we can then do is ultimately respond to this from WhatsApp, right? So if we now put a message saying, hey, how can we help? So if we just put, hey, how can we help? And press send, what that will now do is the messages come through on WhatsApp, right? So we can now see that I'm having a full conversation end to end. The prospect sees no different. They go into WhatsApp and the conversation is then managed from HubSpot. Now, the beauty of this is I can respond back going, yes, I am just demonstrating how the integration works. It's great, right? So if I press that and send, you can see the messages come through to HubSpot, right? Super powerful, gives you all that kind of granularity as well. In terms of other items, it doesn't just stop there, right? It gets really cool. So what we can actually do is we've got the conversation here. We can do all the normal stuff saying, commenting. So Sam is a great guy. We can put that in there and comment and tag our colleagues. So if I was to put, for example, someone that was in the inbox, I could tag that, press add comment. And we can also, like we can with conversations, normally we can collaborate in a WhatsApp conversation without the actual end user seeing that. Now, the beauty of this, I can actually click into Samuel Banks as a contact record. And the beauty of it is once we load his contact record and we filter our activity, so let's take everything off, you will now see that you have the ability to filter on WhatsApp information, right? And you can actually see that the full transcript is contained within the contact record. So it's super powerful. It means that your marketing team, so if your customer service desk is going to be actually managing the front end comms, all the conversation that's been had can be still visible via the marketing team on the actual contact record as well. Ultimately, as we all know with HubSpot, anything that reaches the timeline will allow you to report on it, right? So you can actually see ultimately the amount of messages that have been sent by a particular rep, the amount of messages that have been received by a particular rep or team. Doesn't just stop there, right? So we talked about how you can manage conversations through WhatsApp and we talked about how that's stored on a contact record. But how does this benefit marketing teams? One of the things that you can actually do is under conversations, you have something called templates. And typically this is for sales email templates, right? But it's got a lot better, right? So when we go into the templates area, you now have a tab called WhatsApp, right? So if we click WhatsApp, you can actually now create pre-formatted templates where you can actually see and set like marketing messages or holding statements or confirmation messages that are auto sent through workflows. So you can see here, I've done basically a little bit of a template that I've designed through Meta. So if I press manage template, that's going to take me over to the business manager and I can start to create as many templates as I want, right? So you can see here that this is the overall Meta template library. Meta does give you a handful out of the box. These will not sync to your HubSpot account, right? The only message or template that's going to sync is any custom ones you go on to create. So you can see here, I've created HubSpot _ portal audit _ Johnny. You can see here that it's been approved. So basically what we would do is we would press create template. We'd select what category it is. So is it a marketing message that we want to send automatically? Is it a utility message in terms of like a transactional update? Or is it like an authentication code that you want to pre-send? We can select marketing, we can name it. So we could call it like, for example, Hub Fuel. And then we can select the language, right? So we could put, for example, English, UK, press continue. And this is where we can get creative, right? We can put a header in there. You can put media. So you can add a video if you wanted to. And on the right-hand side, which I appreciate is a bit off screen at the moment, you will see a live preview of what that looks like. You can put your body, your footer. You can also add calls to actions. So you can actually say, add a call to action and like a direct phone number, right? So when someone clicks it, it launches a call to your sales team. You could also use WhatsApp templates to promote certain business pages or services on your website. So again, to use WhatsApp as a lead generation channel as well. Now, upon saving, essentially what that looks like is it will go into an approval process with Meta. It will then, upon being approved, sync into your templates. It will then say ready to use. You can see what that looks like now within HubSpot. And then this is what marketing teams want, right? So if we go over to our workflows area, you can see here that we can now use these templates that have been approved by Meta in our workflows, right? So you can see here that's when someone fills out the contact form, if they're not a customer or active opportunity in any way with the sales team, it will set the lead to be owned by our business development manager, Johnny Clark. And then it's going to send them a WhatsApp message from Johnny Clark. And this is where you can get super, super personified with how you approach it. You can make sure that basically you could do a round robin. So you could create various different templates for your sales team to say, hi, I'm Johnny. Hi, I'm Jack. Hi, I'm Hugh. and you could send a different intro video depending on who gets lead assigned. So again, you can build a full marketing WhatsApp template library that you can then build into workflows as well. And essentially, it's in terms of like the WhatsApp integration, that's kind of be all and end all of it in terms of basically you can now manage your conversations, you can now create templates for use in marketing, but more importantly, you can also have full granularity on the contact timeline that can be pulled into your custom reports if you so wanted to. As always, if you enjoyed this Hub Fuel, be sure to check out all the other Hub Fuels we have on our YouTube channel or Video Hub, where we talk about the latest product updates from HubSpot and also how to get more out of your HubSpot instance. Until next time.